Join panels 2 and 4, 3 and 5 by 16 securing screws via A-tail brackets. Note you can use the Allen wrench provided, or use your own screwdriver. Join the panel 1 by 4 inserting dowels. Lock them by 8 securing screws via 4 L brackets. Join panels 6 and 7 by 4 securing screws via 4 washers. Fix panels 6 and 7 to the base panel by 4 securing screws via 2 L brackets. Join the panel 8 by 2 securing screws via 2 washers. Fix the panel 8 to left and right surrounds by 4 securing screws via 4 washers and 2 MDF blocks. Join the panel 9 by 3 securing screws via 3 washers. Join the panel 10 by 3 securing screws via 3 washers.